But my supplement journey started in 1994. And creatine was probably the first one that I started, and I have not been off creatine since. I mean, there's been periods I've taken a week or 2 weeks off, and I've done 2 or 3 weeks a couple times because I wanted to see the effect. And it's the reason why I don't get off creatine now. I just continually take it. So I take about 5 grams I take about 3 to 5 grams probably 3 to 4 to 5 times a week. I don't recommend the loading that they say on it, because that's just going to be water weight and it's not needed. So I just completely stay on it. So my strength really goes down if I get off of creatine for 2 to 3 weeks. So that is one supplement that is highly researched and very, it works in most people. There's certain people, certain contexts that certain things are not going to work. Creatine will work for most people. So that's one I highly recommend. I have not got off it, and I will not get off it. So I will stay on that forever.